Hello, welcome to Mark II Golf Stories. We're here at the Autostadt in Wolfsburg because we're going to go on the Volkswagen Factory tour. But before that, we're going to take a look in the Volkswagen Museum. Let's go. Yo, here we are inside. Let's see what they got. Check it out. Electric Golf from the 70s. Next to a new electric Golf. Whoa. Not sure what this is. It looks like some kind of pre-Golf Golf. Model 1276. Oh, here we have the 20 millionth Beetle ever built from Mexico. Favourite?
That one over there, that was a great one. Wow.
This is also very cool, but it's not as cool as this. Ever fancy going up in a hot air balloon that's a Beetle? Crazy. This is the first Mark II I've seen in here, and it's used by the fire brigade. Yo, Ottinger Beetle, check it out. This is cool, man. '78, 1998. Crazy ass milk float. Check out this Carman Gear prototype. Here's the production Carman Gear. I think it's a shame we didn't put the prototype into production as a separate car. It looks really cool. What do you think? So that's how the fuel pump works on the GTD. That is really cool. I'm enjoying this. Yo, Type 3 Cabrio, nice! I don't think I've ever seen a Passat GTI before. I kind of like this, it's pretty sweet. Love the interior. I had a Mark II Polo bread van when I was younger. Always wanted a Polo GT. This thing goes well over 200 miles an hour. That would be absolutely terrifying, but fun. Fun way to die. Oh man, look at this G60. That is fit. like an off-road VW. Wait till you see this thing. Caterpillar tracks. Insane. Here we go. Got a US Golf GTI with this weird grille. Saying that, us Europeans put Jetta grills on the Golfs, which is very similar. I do like the side reflectors though. It's quite nice actually. What do you think? Anyone ever seen a Corrado soft top before? What about VW's Vision of the Future from 1995? Kind of looks like some stuff we got now. Not sure often this happens, but yeah, what a treat. There you go, 290 brake horsepower out of a Golf. Hell yeah, baby. That's what we're talking about. Yes, nice, nice. Interesting, interesting. What is going on here? Crazy. Automatic Scirocco. Are these common? Rare? I have no idea. Okay, so we've just come out of the factory tour, and yeah, you won't believe it's not actually allowed to film or take any photos in there. And I'm not joking, that is the truth. But I'll see if I can find some photos online and tell you what I thought of it and if it's worth going or not. The grounds of the Autostadt are absolutely stunning, and it's set in over 69 acres of land. You've got these little cars in boxes. These are very nice. There's another museum here.
It's a Volkswagen shop.
Is this a Volkswagen shop? It's not a museum, it's a shop. Which, this is my wife Helen, by the way. She's having a lovely time. Let's go and have a look. This looks a bit better, and it's free. Well, this looks like just a very cool auto museum. It's really cool cars here. That's cool. BMW. My beautiful wife, who's enjoying this with me. Big up. This is not a Beetle. It is in fact a Porsche Type 60. The start of it all. This is a Beetle. You see the difference? This is VW's entry into Formula V, which is a precursor to the modern F1 cars. Group 2 Scirocco. So there's the VW factory. There's one of the power plants. There's the towers where new cars are stored to be picked up by their owners. And here's a lovely landscape. This is an absolute piece of art, this Bugatti. Absolutely stunning. I love this riveted piece of metal which runs all up and across the top of the car, down the front. It's even on the wings. Breathtaking in this colour. Another stunning Bentley. This place is pretty amazing. Dream car here, Porsche 911. Who wouldn't want one of these? Look at that. A Messerschmitt KR200. That looks fun. You can see the aircraft inspiration. What about a Lamborghini Huracan Strato, which has a rally mode, which might explain these weird lights on the front. A rally enabled Lamborghini. Interesting. That possibly has the worst visibility of any car you could ever drive. One single rearview mirror and a tiny little window. So seeing this incredible DeLorean has made Helen want to go back this morning and never come here.
I loved it. I really enjoyed it.
The XL1, VW's first modern electric from 2013. Still looks pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Kind of looks like a dolphin. A Matra Jet, ladies and gents. Never heard of this before, but that's cool. Lamborghini Diablo, very nice. Yeah boy, Gulf Country. Cool, very, very cool. Cadillac Eldorado, wowzers. Can you imagine driving something this big? I really can't, it's crazy. Another absolute dream motor right here, E-Type Jag. What a beautiful design. This thing kind of looks like Kermit the Frog. This has to be the best exhaust design I've ever seen. The way it comes out under the wheel arches. There you go. Also, the rest of the car looks incredible. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. Audi Quattro could possibly be on the dream car list. Yeah. Okay, that was properly cool. Maybe not one to bring your wives who don't really like cars or car shows. Yeah, but apart from that, it's great. Give you a kiss, honey. Check out these absolutely massive towers full of cars. Incredible. Right, back at our hotel after our little journey out to Wolfsburg. A few tips. First of all, if you're going to Wolfsburg from Berlin by train, book your train tickets in advance. We didn't, and it cost us €100-ish each way. Actually, it was €100 for two people, so about €50. So that's tip number one, or drive. Tip number two would probably be get a taxi from Wolfsburg station to the museum we went to, if you're going to go to that, rather than walking, because it's not really walkable. Tip three, if you're not interested in cars at all and you have a partner who is, be prepared for a long day. Okay, so what do we think of it? Both the museums are really cool. The Volkswagen Museum we went to first of all, which was not part of the Autostadt. That was more like a collection of cars by somebody who collects cars and is enthusiastic. Pure Volkswagens, some absolutely crazy things in there, some unique vehicles. The Autostadt car museum, brilliant, perfectly curated, some pristine vehicles in there. Not all, it wasn't just Volkswagen centric, all sorts of cars. That was brilliant, really enjoyed that. The factory tour, apart from the fact I couldn't take any photos or videos in there, which I was a bit gutted about, it wasn't brilliant. I couldn't hear the tour guide. As soon as he started, the volume just went down. It's cool having a drive around in these big trains pulled by a VW ID, getting to see what's going on, but I felt like it could have been organised better. You couldn't really see a whole lot. If you go in just for that, it's probably, in my opinion, not worth it. But if you're going to Wolfsburg to do the factory tour and go to all the museums, yeah, it's worth it. It's pretty cool. The Autostadt's an amazing place, beautiful landscape. There's loads of stuff going on there. Some great food. Yeah, I think that's probably about it. Buy your partner lots of food and drinks if they don't like cars. Beware, trains can be delayed, and if it's anything like today, it's 30 degrees. It can be quite unpleasant waiting around for them and walking around. But yeah, that's it. That's my rough review. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, consider dropping a like, click on subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in another video again soon. Bye bye. Time for a beer. Cheers, Helen. Well done.
Cheers!